Okay, now welcome to the new session and to the next new classes. The nature works in a beautiful rhythm. The sun rises and sets, night is followed by another day, seasons come and go. The whole universe follows this pattern. We also have completed a cycle. We are about to start another. Will you promise me that you make it a better one? Friends, do you know the story of the jungle school? Once all the animals in the jungle decided to join their kids in a school. Teachers were appointed, syllabus were made, classes started. After some days, test results were announced to the parents and they got very angry with their children. Do you know why? Because the fish stood first in swimming but failed to fly. The fox won the race but failed to fly. The squirrel climbed the tree in seconds but failed to swim. The parents told the teachers to punish their children to improve their performance. At the end of the year, the school was closed, and the parents realized that their children follow the nature instead of competing with others. So, be yourself, compete with yourself, and beat the record. Thank you.
A bright and warm good morning to one and all. This is Vaishnavi standing in front of you to say a few words about the importance of English in our preschool level. We all know that we have completed our preschool, before classes and promoting to the new classes. But now it is the time to learn English. Now I am going to say the importance of the English. There are many more languages in the world and language plays an important role in our society. There are many more languages. Among all those languages, English is selected as the international languages. Many people try to attempt to learn English because there are few reasons to select the English as an international language. The few reasons in my point of view are India is a developing country and it is compulsion to learn English at preschool level so that the English could be developed and be fluent. And the other reason that I want to share with you is it is getting of jobs in this competitive society and every boss is looking for talented, qualified and developed and confident employees. So that we must learn English to be an smart employee. And most of the books are written in English so that we should learn English to gain more language and more things for any other to be new. And the final reason is technology. Most of the technology is written in English so that we must know English to learn something more. Every email and any other things we should enter in English so that we must know at least little English. If we go for abroad for higher studies, then how could you speak with them who doesn't know our mother tongue? The answer is English. We can speak in English because everyone know a little English. So it is convenient to learn to speak with them. So that I am finally want to say that English is very important in our life. If we know English, our bright future is open for you. And this is the platform to learn English. And our management also is trying to keep a new fluency of English for development of our English. Thank you for giving this golden opportunity.